Today in SERDNA Talk, we're going to talk about why some people stay away from FHA loans. People think that FHA loans are given by the government or by the Federal Housing Administration. All FHA loans are given by qualified lending institutions such as banks, mortgage companies, credit unions, etc. What's funny is that people think that FHA loans are only for low-income borrowers and for first-time homebuyers, but they're wrong. If you're thinking about investing in real estate and if your credit score is not the best, let's say it's at 600 points, then you can qualify for an FHA loan. Also, you can use an FHA loan to buy your first, second, third, fourth, fifth property or more. FHA loans are not for first-time home buyers. They are for everyone looking to buy a property. Another misconception about FHA loans is that they are not just for people with bad credit. And yes, it is true that FHA loans are very popular among borrowers with a poor credit score, since the FHA allows home buyers with a credit score to apply. If your credit score is in the 580, 590, or 600, you can qualify. If your credit score is below 580, then you can qualify for an FHA loan if you can afford to pay 10% down of that property. Based on FHA standards, a buyer with a credit score of 580 or higher qualifies for a down payment as low as 3.5% of the purchase price. Also, people think that it's so difficult to qualify for an FHA loan, and that's just not true. The process might be a little bit tedious because of the stricter guidelines, but don't let that turn you off. If you're thinking about buying a property and if you have low credit score, or if you have filed for bankruptcy in the past, you can still qualify for an FHA loan. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is that people think that FHA loans are cheaper than conventional mortgages. And let me explain you why. Let's say that you get approved for a conventional loan and you agree to make a 20% down payment on that property. Then you don't have to pay for private mortgage insurance. And that to me means a lot, since private mortgage insurance will stay with you as long as you have that FHA loan. FHA loans are great. They are the master key to get into a property. If you don't want to keep renting, and if your credit score is not the best, and if you have enough to cover 3.5% of the purchase price plus closing costs, that could be awesome. You can buy your property today and stop renting immediately. Take advantage of the low interest rates that we have right now. If you have any questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talk and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.